Wherever you are, I hope you are well, and welcome to the Event channel. The horrific hurricane that struck the United States and the devastating windstorm that accompanied it will live on in history. Hurricane Ian, with its devastating windstorm, will go down in recent U.S. history as one of the most impactful, resulting in extensive destruction of countless homes and businesses. As well as a rising number of fatalities. With landfall wind speeds reaching 150 miles per hour, Ian's intensity in Florida ties it with 7 other storms as the 5th strongest recorded in the United States. After battering Cuba, the hurricane made landfall on Florida's western coast. Accompanied by a merciless storm surge that ravaged the ground floors of buildings and powerful winds that caused substantial power outages, affecting approximately a quarter of the state. Furthermore, this Category 4 storm unleashed over 20 inches of rainfall in central parts of Florida. The reported death toll currently stands at 89, predominantly comprising drowning incidents in Florida, according to the Florida Medical Examiners Commission. However, county sheriffs have reported higher fatality figures, indicating that the official count is expected to rise. In terms of financial impact, Ian is estimated to have caused over $60 billion in private insured losses in Florida alone. Making it the second largest recorded disaster loss event according to the Insurance Information Institute, an industry trade group. Hurricane Ian trails behind the devastating Hurricane Katrina of 2005, which caused inflation-adjusted insured losses of $89.7 billion. Subscribe for more daily videos. Goodbye.